Welcome everyone. This video is about March 2021 attempt. We will solve it in accordance with latest tax law for tax year 2023. This particular video is about question 1 of this attempt. In this question you will learn a technique of tax avoidance. Tax avoidance is the legal and permitted exploitation of the tax law to reduce tax liability. Please note that the taxpayer in this question is an individual. Mr. Jamal. He has recently resigned from employment on December 31st. There are 4 types of amounts received during tax year. On resignation he has received 3 amounts. First is leave encashment of rupees 600,000. Second amount is from recognized provident fund of rupees 8,510,000. Third amount is arrears of salary which belong to 2 previous years. During the year he has received salary of rupees 500,000 from July 1st to December 31st. Have a look at requirement of question. You are required to compute income tax payable of Mr. Jamal. Let's revise the treatments given in tax law. Leave encashment is exempt only in case of encashment of LPR of government employee or employee of armed forces. All other leave encashments are fully taxable. Since Mr. Jamal was employee of a hospital, which is a limited company, so the exemption is not applicable and leave encashment will be fully taxable. Accumulated balance received from recognized provident fund is totally exempt from tax. So the amount of rupees 8,510,000 will be totally exempt from tax. In case of salary arrears, taxpayer has a choice to either get the amount of arrears taxed on cash basis or on accrual basis. So in case of arrears, we have to work out income tax under both of these options. Monthly salary of rupees 500,000 will be fully taxable. Let's now make our working under both options. In option 1, we will include all salary income in current tax year. In option 2, we will include salary arrears in the year to which they belong. Write down values from question. Please note that items of salary income under both options are same. The only difference between both options is that of arrears. In option 1 arrears have been taxed in current tax year. In option 2 arrears have been taxed in relevant tax year. Let's finalize option 1 first. Make total of all income items. Taxable income comes to rupees 6.6 million. Apply salaried person's tax slabs. These tax slabs are always given in exam, so no need to memorize it. 6th slab is applicable here. Calculate tax imposed. Tax imposed comes to rupees 1,200,000. Let's finalize option 2 now. The question also tells us about income earned in previous years. Find out income of tax years for which arrears of salary has been received. Tax year 20W9 and tax year 20X0. Mention these incomes in working. Make total of income in each tax year. Now we need rate of tax for each tax year. Please note that tax rates for relevant tax years should be used. But since in exam situation you are provided with only current year tax rates, therefore, current year tax slabs will be used for every tax year. 4th slab is applicable on tax year 20X2. 5th slab is applicable on tax year 20X0 and 20W9. Using these tax slabs, compute tax imposed for each tax year. The question also tells us about amount of tax already paid in previous tax years. We need figures of tax year 20W9 and 20X0. Taxes already paid will be subtracted from newly computed tax imposed. Our new tax liability comes to rupees 1,210,500. Let's now compare option 1 and option 2. Our tax liability is lesser under option 1. So this is a better choice for taxpayer. Congratulations! You did it! Your answer is complete now. You can ask your questions in comments section. See you all in our next video.